Alright, y'all. It's Clinton again. Whole 54 whole racing machine. Got a car got a popping noise coming. I don't know if it's a bad distributor or valve's too tight. One of the two. It's popping. Not too bad, but an hour. But whenever you get on the gas a bit, it pops out of the right side a little bit. So I don't know what that means. I gotta do some research and figure that out. But other than that, the car's good. Body's on it, all that good stuff. So I figure out what gears are in it. I think there's like 273s, I think the guy said. But other than that, yeah, it's ready to go. Been numbers and sponsors and stuff on there, and grind tires, and we're ready to rock and roll. So make sure y'all like and subscribe and follow me and ring the bell, and so you can notice whenever I get new videos come out. I'm gonna try to we'll get me a GoPro mount on the car, so we have videos inside the car, stuff like that also. So yeah, y'all, hope y'all have a wonderful night, and see y'all next time.